How to contact with Daraz customer service using your Daraz app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then on the bottom you'll see 5 options. Simply tap on the account options, which is located on the bottom right corner of your screen. After tapping on account, you'll see your screen something like this. Here tap on contact customer care, which is right below help center on your left side. After tapping on it, you'll be redirected to a page which looks something like this. Here you can go ahead and tell your problems by typing it, or you can simply choose your problem by options like this. For this video, I'll simply choose order inquiry, and after I tap on it, Daraz will now give me options to solve my problem, like track my order, return my order, and many more. And like this, you can contact with Daraz customer service and tell them their problem. And this is it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.